everyone. It's it's Friday today, so it's week today is Christmas Day. So I'm in the shed, and I've got this frame, well, this one here, the FTC from Simon Wasp and John Jeffries. I've had it about a couple of weeks now, to be honest, and I ideally wanted to get out on permission and test it, but I've just not had time, to be honest, with work and running around trying to sort presents and stuff out, and you know, with lockdown and whatever. Well, not lockdown, but you know, with the new restrictions and whatnot, it's been a bit awkward for me to get out. Just not had time. But like I say, I've shot it home, and I've got a good feel of it, so I feel that I can sort of talk about it and tell you all what I think of it. So let's get down to obviously the sort of dimensions and stuff. So 85mm outer, 23mm tips, I believe, and it's 130mm overall length that I've measured, and yeah, a cracking little frame. It's an ambi frame, also can be held. I prefer to hold it this way, but a lot of people, I do it like this. I'm obviously right-handed, but we'll have it. So sorry. So yeah, so a lot of folks prefer it that way. So with the curve following the hand, but I believe when John does his Mustangs, I've never owned one, but I believe that's the original shape he's designed for the hand, so not the curve going up, what people would do. He has it that way, I believe. So if I'm wrong, please correct me, but I prefer it like that. But anyway, either way, it's totally ambi. You can use it, like I say, you can either that way or that way. But for me, I like it like that, very comfortable. Yeah, they're what you expect from Simon. Flawless, do you know what I mean? Second to none. His quality's spot on, to be honest. It's the same as, you know, the Unifox. I mean, that's probably one of the world's top selling frames, I think. And I believe this one will be as well. So yeah, cracking little frame. I like it. It comes in I think it's 4 or 5 different colours. So it's a design taken from obviously John's Mustang. I don't think it's totally like the Mustang. I think it's something different, but I believe now John's actually doing custom ones of these that I've seen. So check him out on Facebook. I'll put links in anyway to Simon Wasp and to John. Yeah, so I'll have a little shoot of it, and then I'll get back and see what we think. Oh, that's 5 shots, so 10 metres on a 25mm spinner. So right, well, 4, I think it was 4 out of 5 on the 25mm at 10 metres. A little bit blowy outside, so not too shabby. I thought I'd end it there because it would probably go wrong after that. So. But yeah, on average I shoot this frame pretty well, to be fair. On a 40mm it just gets boring, but again, it's not all the frame and it's not all me. I mean, both have to click, so I'm a decent shot, so obviously I'm going to hit stuff. You can't just pick a frame up and say, yeah, bang, I'm you know, I'm deadly. it don't work like that. You have to put the graft in, but it makes it easier, if it makes sense. It's a good little frame. I like it. It truly is, in my opinion, a totally ambi frame, whether it be you got brace, pinch, where you want to have it that orientation, or this way. It generally is, they've really thought of it here, and they've done a good cracking job of it. I shoot high on the fork. I always have my finger pointed towards the target, so for me it worked perfect. I'll be honest, the lanyard helps. I think if I hold it back, because it's a light frame, so if you hold it back here, it does tend to, whether it's just me, but I find it just kicks a little bit. But if you hold high on the fork, which is the only sort of stuff I can say, it's not negative, it's just I find, like I say, if you're close to the tip, it's fine, but there is a little bit. But then it can be said of any frame, but that's the only thing I can say really. Otherwise, it's a great for the money, great little frame, like under 20 quid, 19 quid I think. So I think it works out about 23 quid posted. Lovely little frame. Get on it. I recommend it. Good little frame. And again, I bought this. This is not from Simon or from John. It's on my own back. I paid for this. I got it when they were 17 quid, I think, when they first come out when they first released. I think you had a couple of quid discount or whatever, and I paid for that. So yeah, it's a genuine. It's not. I'm not being sent this. If it was, I'd say it was, but it's not. So I paid for it, my own money, and I'd buy another one in a flash. Yeah, so money well spent. All right, all look after yourselves. Have a good holiday or whatever, and I'll try to get another. I've got some videos in the pipeline for the new year, different things that's going to be hopefully sent out for me to test, and I'll have hopefully a couple of new videos over the Christmas, and that's it really. So take care. Thanks for watching.